So if you've got a Range Rover Evoque and you want to fit a rear camera, you've got to contend with all of this grommet here, and then it goes deep in there, look. So unless you've done quite a few of these before, you might struggle, and in there, and then take the wire out here and then sort of route your camera up here somewhere. But what you can do is opt for one of these easy fit brackets that allows you to run the cable and mount your camera here. So to install this, it's a simple case of just pulling down the trim like this and then just pushing it over like that and then flicking it up. So that's there, and now what you can do is actually mount your camera underneath there and then route your cable up through here. Just pull this down, route your cable in there and then up through here. And it's a lot simpler than trying to get it routed through there. It's quite a lot quicker as well. So as you can see, it'll probably take you minutes just to route it and stick it there. And then once the boot's shut, then I'll show you inside. So your camera would just literally mount here, and you've got a clear angle there, look.